Hi guys! If you're looking to build your own website, then we have something I think you're really gonna like. Our website builder is quick, affordable, and easy to use. In this video, I'm briefly going to take you through what our website builder looks like, show you how easy it is to use, and finally show you an example of the kind of website you can expect to build for yourself using our website builder. Let's get started. So once you've signed up, you'll come to a page like this. And if you're looking for information on how to sign up, check out below this video. So once you've signed up and you want to get started working on your website, you can come and click Manage over here. And this brings you to your initial experience with the website builder. Now this page is a once-off, so you won't need to do this every time you want to go back and edit your website. To start, you're going to choose a category. So if you're in real estate or clothing and apparel or photography, you can choose those categories. I'm going to go ahead and search for a different category and choose dog trainer. This brings up a preview or a standard website for you to work from. I wouldn't worry too much if you're not loving what you see here. You can change your theme once you start editing. If you really don't like what you're seeing, you can change your category over here. After that, you're going to go ahead and give your site a name. I'm just going to go ahead and call it Peter's Pups. And then once you're happy with everything here, you can go ahead and click Continue. Now we're into the website editor. You see a preview of your website on the left-hand side, which you can scroll through and interact with. And on the right-hand side, you have your menus. Within these menus on the right-hand side, you'll find all your settings. Everything you want to edit and change can be found in this menu on the right-hand side. There's three main menu options: theme, pages, and site settings. I'll briefly take you all three of these within this video. Let's start with theme. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't like the standard website that's been generated for you, you can change your theme, and this is where you can do that. You can scroll through these and there's a lot of really fun and exciting options for you to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. You can also change your color in this menu. You can change your color, a specific shade of the color, or you can specify an exact color. If you're already working to colors, then this is a great feature. I'm going to go ahead and choose blue for this website. In here you can also change your font. There's a lot of fun fonts to play around with too, but for this video I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Once you've made all your changes within the menu and you're happy with them, click Done. Don't forget to click this Done button so that your changes save. Okay, let's go through site settings. So there's a lot of really great features in site settings, and I'm quite excited to show you guys some of them. The first one I want to look at is domain. So if you look over here, you can see at the moment that your website is actually sitting on a temporary domain. Once you've purchased a domain, you can come in under this menu and change it to your permanent domain. There's also search engine optimization, which is ranking within search engines. There's your social accounts, which is linking your website to your social media. There's Google Analytics, which is basically a platform to help you track the performance of your website. This is really great for marketing. Another great one for marketing is Facebook Pixel. So with all these features, it really sets you up if you're a first-time business owner, or if you're taking your website or your business online for the first time. There's some great marketing tools and some great integrations for you to use to really get you started and give you a bit of a head start. One last one I want to take you through is site history. This is a really great feature. So say for example you've made a couple changes on your websites and you're not quite sure how to undo them, or just in general you want to take your website back a couple hours to where you were before. These are backups of your site, essentially previous revisions from a specific day and time. You can come back to that specific day and time and click on this button here and restore your website to what it looked like at this date and time. You can also create backups, which is going to be great for you once your website has gone live. And then finally, you can reset your website. Now I would advise you to use this with extreme caution, as you'll lose all of your work and all of your progress that you've made on the website. It will set you back to a blank website. So don't do this unless you're really sure you want to start again. The third option here is pages. As we can see in this website, we only have a home page because it is still a new website. So let's go ahead and add a page, and we're going to add a blog page. And we're going to click show in navigation and show in footer. And I'll show you guys what these two do now. And then we're going to create page. So as you can see, your new page has come up here. It is blank. Over here, a link to the blog page has come up in your navigation menu. So this is what happens when you click show in navigation. And again, at the bottom in the footer of your website, a blog link has come up. So if you uncheck show in footer, you won't see this link here. And if you uncheck show in navigation, you won't see this link come up here. This is an empty page, so let's go ahead and add a section. There's a lot of different sections for you to play around with, and there's some really fun things to look at. But we're going to just go ahead and take the first blog section for this video. And I quickly want to talk to you about navigating and getting around this website builder. So on the right hand side, we have our menu, which can edit everything that we want to edit. Now we see at the top here, breadcrumbs. So essentially this is the main menu, the home over here. Then we went into pages, and then we went into the blog page, and now we're editing the blog element. So if we get lost in this menu, we can just click on this home page here, and it will take us right back to the top. So to go back to where we were, we'll go into pages, we'll go into the blog, and we'll go back onto the blog section. And we're back where we are. So navigating this menu is really easy, and if you ever get lost, you can just click on the home icon right over here. Another really way to navigate through the website builder is simply to click on an element within the website preview. So if I click over here on home, I'm automatically come to the home page, and I can see all the sections within the home page. So your header and your about us. Here's your header, here's your about us section. So you can navigate it through like that, and you can go into your header and edit the specific things within your header. So navigation is really easy. If you ever get lost, you just click on your home icon, and within the website itself, you can click on an element and you can find the relevant settings on the right hand side that will come up. Let's go ahead and add one more page to this. Let's add a services page. And we only want to show navigation this time, not in the footer. And let's add a section to this. Let's go for a content section this time. Now you'll see there's a lot of fun and different content sections for you to add. You can go through all of these, but we're going to go ahead and add one of these in. And since it's a services page, let's turn this into a call of action, and let's say buy now. Like I mentioned earlier, when you click on an element, the relevant settings will come up in the right. So say we want to edit this picture, we'll click on it and we'll come here to cover photo, and here we can replace it from an image that's saved onto our computer or onto our laptop and bring it in and replace this image here. One last thing I want to show you how to edit is your logo in the top left hand corner. So again, you can just click on the elements and the settings pop up on the right hand side. I'm going to change this to Peter's Pups. You would most probably have an image to upload, and you can do that right over here by uploading it from your computer. Once you're happy with your website and you're happy with your colors and your layout, and I mean there really is a lot for you to go around and play with, and it's so user friendly, and if you make a mistake you can always restore a previous backup like I showed you, and I'll just show you that again. Your backups are under site settings, under site history. So if you make a mistake, you can just come back in here. But everything is really easy to navigate around, really easy to see, and really easy to change, so that you can get really creative and you can really get playful with this website. But once you're happy, you can go ahead over here and click preview. Now this brings up a preview of your website on desktop and on mobile. And we know that we are in a mobile friendly world at the moment, so the mobile friendly version is really important. Once you've had a look through of this, and I mean you can click on your different pages to see what they would look like as well. And once you're happy with the way that your website's built, you can go ahead here and click publish. Now this is going to take your website live, so just be aware of that before you click publish. You can say view site from here. And this is your live site. So you can see in a couple of minutes We created a really sophisticated, really professional, very clean looking website, and it was really easy to do. It's also mobile friendly, like I mentioned earlier, so as we adjust the size, the website adjusts. You can see here when we click over here, we get a mobile friendly menu popping up, so this will look great on phones and tablets as well as on your browser. Again, please remember that your website is on a temporary server. So if you go back and you look in the video, you can see where I pointed out where to find your domain settings, so you can change this onto your permanent domain once you've purchased one. Alright guys, it's that easy to create a sophisticated website. It's that affordable. If you are looking for information on how to sign up, you can look underneath this video for the details about that. I hope to see your awesome and creative websites coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.